Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to unlink all your Instagram accounts and log out of one account or all accounts at once from the list. How to do it? To do this, I open up the list of profiles. There are several profiles here, and I want to log out of them. To do this, I click on the three bars. Then I open Settings and Privacy. You go down a little bit further and select Lockout, and click on that. And here we can select the accounts that you want to log out of. Or you can leave certain accounts. With this method, you can log out of one account or several accounts at once. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.